For Christmas, we got airsoft guns, and let's go play in the woods!
Drills he got for Christmas yesterday, 2 days ago. Yeah, so. But it shoots automatic.
That's so fun.
Yeah.
I would honestly love to be playing airsoft with them, but we only have 3 powerful guns. We have 3 from last year, but they are a lower model and they're not as powerful as these automatic ones. So yeah, I'll just have to wait my turn until one of them is done. But it's scary being the filmer. Like, you have to go in between them while they're shooting. Literally, I'm about to go shot right now. Because the bullets are just whizzing around. Hello. Hi, I won. No. The 3rd round and the 1st round! So, it's Sunday morning, and we got a ton of snow last night. We've known for about a week now that we were going to get snow, but seeing it is still really crazy. Today's January 7th, and it's the first big snow. We had a little flurries here and there, but we didn't have any snow that stuck. This is a ton, and it's still snowing out, so hopefully Dad can clear out the driveway. And who knows, probably won't be that many people that come to church either because of the snowstorm. But New England weather is so crazy because in years past we've had snow on Halloween, on Thanksgiving, no snow at all. This year, the snow decided not to come until January 7th, so the kids are having fun. They're playing out in the snow. I probably will after church, go sledding or something. So, happy Sunday. The snow is finally melting. It's been almost a week since the snowstorm. And it's 50 degrees out today and so pretty. But it's just reminding me how much I love spring. The melting snow also causes our stream to get really high.
Yo.
Sometimes it even floods over that land area. Oh, and it's also very, very windy. Liza is working on making a little town of her own. We have Israelites, but she wanted to have her own little town where she has rocks that they use as passes to get into the town. It sounds really cool, so let's go check out what they're doing.
They're gonna be mad that we came and watched.
I know. Alright, let's go.
Told you so.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Get him going. Oh, I did it!
That should be a good enough snowball, right? I'm just gonna hide it behind my back.